Hey guys, so we have another quick unboxing here today of the Scam Unicorn water game. So let's see what they say on the back. So it's not suitable for children under 3 years. I guess that's for obvious reasons. If it breaks, they don't want them consuming anything. Looks to be packaged quite well, quite sturdy. It's actually packaged quite well for these sort of games. Yeah, they normally don't come in boxes. It's very pretty, the colors. Try not to break the packaging. It tells you who made it. I don't know why it has rings on the side. Maybe you can put a key ring on it and attach it to a bag or something. Okay, so let's see how this works. Okay, so you can press down, left, right, up. When it looks like it goes around just in circles. It's a bit strange though. It feels like any button that you press has the same motion. Like it just goes in a anti-clockwise manner. Some buttons don't seem to work. It's not a train smash though. I mean, it's not the most expensive game that you get. It's a bit hard to push the buttons like in certain ways. I feel like they spent a lot of time designing the product and making it look pretty, but it's not very functional. Oh, you can actually press the entire button down. So you don't press left or right, you press the whole button. So it just looks like a plus sign, but it's one button on its own. Let's see how many we can get. Oh, you see that? So it only works in one way, and once one of the sticks is full, then that's it. Yeah, it's not the most functional toy. It's not bad, but now we can't get any more on the left hand side. Let's try the right hand side. Maybe they should have made the sticks at least a little longer. That could have helped. Yeah, no. Both the sticks are the same length and not all the hoops will fit on them. It's not bad though. I can't remember what I paid for it, but just to pass some time, it's not a bad toy. Also, it is designed quite nicely and packaged quite nicely. Yeah, just the functionalities could have been improved on. There we go.